I used to be an incredibly anxious person. I dealt with depression for decades. So I didn't have the mental health background, the physical stamina background to enjoy socializing, to genuinely be a social person.
Yeah.
It was really taxing for me. It was tiring. I was really shy. I was really scared of people. But I started to become better and better at my job. And you hit a level, and maybe it's just me, but I firmly believe in it, that you hit a level when you go from building skills to expressing yourself through your art. And when you hit the artistry level, that's when you realize that ADing is one of the only departments that shows up with nothing on set. It's genuinely, it's us. Sometimes the director, if they don't have any scripts or any notes or anything like that, sometimes they just rock up and they don't have anything. And the actors. Us are the only departments that show up with ourselves. I am my instrument, my voice, my intonation, my communication skills, my vocabulary, my social fine skills is the tact that after a while starts to separate me from other ADs and also give the perception that I'm doing things a lot more professionally because I'm courteous, because I'm not a shouty AD by any means. I find ways how to communicate what I want and how to achieve what's best for everything in ways that are not personally abusive, you know. And that's something that I wasn't growing up with. I was shouted at a lot, you know, and the whole crew was shouted at. And it's an incredibly, like, film is one of those industries where I think it's the testament to like human beauty that we have an industry around storytelling. Yes. You know, we're not curing cancer. We're not saving lives. All that we're doing is entertaining, making pretty pictures and putting emotions on screen. That's all that our job is about. So if we are not enjoying it, if we are struggling, suffering, anxious, overworked, tired, stressed, horrible human beings, then the supposedly entertaining product is going to have that mark on it.
Yes, yes, it is.
So I genuinely think that social skills are, first of all, I think it's for everyone on set. There are a couple of job roles where you're like, you have a monitor literally in between you and the rest of the crew, and you sit behind your desk for the whole day. That's one thing. But once you're on set, it's such a collaborative job that even if you're shy, even if you're introverted, even if you're reserved, you still can have very fine people skills.
Yeah.
And I think that's not something that like general education is teaching people, how to be decent human beings, how to communicate effectively.
Yes.